Hey everyone, neighbor gave me this Coates 1010 tire changer. Taking the tire off of his Dayton wheel. Pretty rotten. Going through all kinds of stuff, breaking stuff down, scrapping stuff, making a tire pile, making room around here. I got tire mess. But I'm gonna get this tire off this rim. I'm gonna show you how to do it since these don't have a center on them. £25 weight. It's over just like that. My air compressor is really loud. It's about ready to blow up. So. Should have started on this side to begin with, but I didn't. Alright, so on a normal wheel, this here goes in your lug stud, but you ain't got that. So, let's get it nice and tight on there so it don't want to spin. Maybe not be quiet enough. Probably don't need to lock this on here like this, but I do because I've already had an episode. This thing's kind of got off of here and I was hitting in the face. I don't believe that would feel very well, so that's all I'm doing. There's that. So it's a little trick to getting a tire off of a Dayton wheel. You can do that with a manual tire changer too. So that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Just something I came up with because I didn't know what else to do, so I started looking around. I was like, well, that'll fit in there. So there it is.